Okay, right here we have the first worked example. Now we have to solve for x in minus 4x squared minus 6x plus 15 equals to 0. Now this is quadratic. As you can see, the higher power we have here is plus 2. This quadratic. That's the first thing we have to watch out for. Don't forget, very important. Now, apart from the fact that this quadratic, this is not just quadratic. This is a quadratic equation. We have a presence of an equality sign. It means there's a balance between this very side and this very side. Now, as you can see, the very one, the unknown with the highest power, that's s squared, has a coefficient of minus 4. So now we can do it in a different way. Since this is equal to 0, I can decide to send this 2 to the other side. So that will give us 4s squared plus 4s squared plus 6x equals to 15 here. That's the first thing. Now don't forget this A, this B, and this is C. Now we're going to be using the populating the square method. At least we've seen a glimpse of what this very method looks like. So now the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to use the coefficient of the unknown with the highest power. We're going to use the coefficient of the unknown with the highest power to divide all through. So that's plus 4 right here. So it's going to be plus 4 divides this, and divides this. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to look for a way to transform this very remaining piece into what will have the same root or identical root. So 4 is divided all through. So what do we have? This s squared plus 6x over 4 equals to 15 over 4. That's what we have. So what do we do next? The next thing we are going to do is we are going to look for a way. Don't forget, this is still quadratic. This is still quadratic, but it's no more complete. The C part has been sent to this place. We have the C part here. Now, for the part that we have the C part here, what does it mean? We have to look for a way to add something to this place that will make it become complete again. So what do we do now? The s squared plus 6x over 4 plus k equals to 15 over 4. Now don't forget, whatever you do to this place, you have to do it to this place also in order for this to remain an equation. If not, it's not going to be an equation anymore. So k has been added. So we're going to do the same thing here, plus k also. Now, how do we know what the value of k is? Don't forget, this is A. A now is 1. B is C over 4. And then C is k. S is per 2, S is per 1, S is per 0. I can say 2 here 3, 2 here 2. So the A is 1. The B is 3 over 2, while the C is k. Now, don't forget, the formula was right. The C, how do we get the value of C? Is B divided by 2 raised to power 2. Now, this formula is only possible when the A is 1. Now, if the A is not 1, you have to look for a way to get rid of the A. Just like